Hello, Margaret Hodge with MVP Realty, Naples Rules, and today I would like to talk about what is a septic tank and some things that you can do to maintain it. A septic tank is a chamber that's made of concrete, fiberglass, or plastic that wastewater flows for basic treatment. So basically, it's a private on-site sewage system for a property that's not connected to your typical sewer, and property owners are typically responsible for it, and they are dominant in areas, or prevalent in areas such as Golden Gate Estates in Naples, Florida. And most homeowners that have a septic system know that they need to be properly maintained, and they also need to kind of follow a certain guideline to ensure the longevity of these septic tanks, because they're estimated to be last about 50 years. So I wanted to show you this diagram here from Wikipedia that shows that a septic tank chamber is being installed right here, as you can see. And in addition, septic means an anaerobic bacterial environment that develops in the tank, which decomposes or mineralizes waste discharged into the tank. So more simply, it just collects all of the drainage from your sinks, your showers, tubs, and toilets. And the thing is that the rate of accumulation of sludge that occurs in these systems really accelerates faster than what the actual system can do to remove it in decomposing or mineralizing the sewage that happens in these private septic tanks. So it's very important to have a vacuum truck come and clean out these septic tanks periodically. And I was very fortunate to have found George W. Shepherd and Sons with a fourth generation owner, Adam, who came to our household's rescue. And he was very busy, so he didn't have time to really interview, but he did say that it really just depends on the system when it was built, and how large the household is will depend on the frequency of when the vacuum truck needs to come and drain out the sludge or fecal sludge or sewage that tends to build up in these septic tanks. So here, as you can see in this video clip that I'd like to show you right here, I'd like you to take a look at the process for just a brief moment. All right, well, there you have it. And this is what a septic tank does. And whenever you have an issue with a septic tank, you should definitely think, when was the last time I had this maintained? Typically, you would like to get it maintained every 3 to 5 years. Sometimes people let it go as long as 10 years, which is really not recommended. I've even heard some crazy stories from Adam that there's been some properties that haven't been done in 20 years. So it really just depends on when it was built, the household, how frequently it's used, that sort of thing. So I highly recommend getting the maintenance every 3 to 5 years to be on the safe side. And here from Wikipedia, I'd like to show you things that should not go in the septic tank. So here it is here. And I wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope you learned about what a septic tank is and what to do to properly maintain it, and what that basically entails. Making sure that you get a vacuum truck company come and vacuum it out so you don't have any surprises from your toilets and your tubs, showers, and sink basically surfacing wastewater up in the drain. So you want to make sure that's properly maintained. So hey, if you have any questions about septic tanks and you want to know more about properties that have them, I would be happy to assist you. Any questions or concerns that you have living with a septic tank. This is Margaret Hodge with MVP Realty, Naples Rules, and until next time, I will see you later.